So if we hide the endoderm, we can see that starting from the primitive node, here is the notochord, and this structure here, it is called precordal plate. This notochord, it induces the formation of neural tube. It will induce the thickening of overlying ectoderm. This thickened ectoderm is called neural plate. At the cranial end of this neural plate, some cells will become specialized and they will be destined to form the eye. So they are termed as eye field. So one of the important protein that is expressed within these cells is called PAX6 protein. We have two eyes, but right now we have a single eye field. Actually, precordal plate will put its finger on the lips in the center and it will say shh, and this single eye field will be divided now into two eye fields. It will become bilateral structure. Precordal plate will actually release a protein called Sonic Hedgehog. So here in the central midline, where lots of Sonic Hedgehog is expressed, these cells, they will stop being the part of eye field. So hence, this eye field will be divided into two structures. So next, neurulation will start. Neural plate, it will invaginate inward. There will be a formation of depression here, and its folds will meet in the midline, and they will oppose together in a zip-like fashion. Even before this neural plate is properly converted into the neural tube, bilaterally in the eye field, there will be the formation of pits or depression, or grooves will be formed. These grooves are called optic grooves, and the neural tube will separate. Here is the same neural tube after the folding has occurred. Neural tube will grow and it will form three major swellings. Optic groove, it will be present in the diencephalon part of the prosencephalon. It will grow in the lateral direction outward. So now it is called optic vesicle. So here is just a part of diencephalon that has been cut here, and here we can see the optic vesicle. Now its distal part will grow a bit further, but its proximal part, it will become narrow like this. Proximal part is like a stalk, so hence it is termed as optic stalk. A blood vessel will develop here called hyaloid artery. In the honor of this artery, the ventral part of this optic vesicle and some part of this optic stalk as well, it will invaginate inwards like this. So here is a fissure that has been formed called choroid fissure, or it is also called optic fissure. Now this optic vesicle has been turned into what we call as optic cup. Ultimate, this choroid fissure or this optic fissure, it will close as these folds, they will meet in the midline like this. I will cut another section from the top like this. And now let's watch the animation again.